Hello, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with a kid-friendly take on sushi.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a sweet sushi and a savory sushi that the whole family is going to love.
Yes, so let's get started. I am going to make our sweet sushi first. So what we're using as really like the base of our sushi is a banana. So we've just peeled our banana, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take some peanut butter. You could use almond butter, you could use Nutella, whatever type of nut butter you prefer, and we're just going to make a thin layer over the top of our banana. What this is going to do is help our toppings stick to our banana.
And when we first tested this recipe, we put peanut butter around the entire banana.
Yes, we did.
It was super, super messy. It was fun, so it could be a fun activity for the family,
Definitely.
but it definitely made a mess, so just be prepared for that.
Yes. All right, so that's pretty good. And what we're going to do next is just add on toppings. So we've got sprinkles, we've got granola, Fruity Pebbles, that's what those are. You could use chia seeds, you could use any type of really cereal would be fine. I'm going to start with just our sprinkles because they're colorful and fun. And just going to sprinkle them over the top where we put that peanut butter. I love how colorful it is, and such a fun thing to do to get the kids in the kitchen playing with food.
And they can do whatever they want.
Yep, exactly. All right, so that looks good. And then next, I'm just gonna slice it up into our sushi rolls. It's really that easy.
Awesome. And while Lauren works on slicing up her sushi and starts working on her second banana, I'm going to get started on our savory sushi. So what it essentially is like a turkey and cheese wrap.
Yes.
So I have a spinach tortilla here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into a square so that it's a little easier to work with. I'm using a spinach tortilla, but you could really use whatever flavor you'd like.
And you could customize it too with the type of deli meat. You could skip meat altogether and use like hummus would work well.
Ooh, that'd be really good.
And you could skip cheese or add your favorite type of cheese.
Yeah, make it your own. So now that I have my little square, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of cream cheese just along this top edge. And that's going to act as kind of the glue to hold the whole sushi roll or wrap together. What topping are you going for now?
I'm going for the Fruity Pebbles because they're bright and colorful.
All right, next just some mozzarella cheese. And that's going to go over everything under the cream cheese except for like the very bottom inch I'll leave open for the turkey and the carrots.
And shredded cheese works a little bit better than using like a sliced cheese. It'll just show up a little bit nicer when we cut it into our rolls, and it's a little bit easier to manage too.
Yeah. Okay, one slice of turkey kind of fits perfectly on there. And then just a little bit of shredded carrot. And I'm going to go ahead and just roll that up. So again, super simple, something that the whole family could work on together.
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay.
And that cream cheese at the end really helps to glue it together.
Yeah. And go ahead and slice this up.
I love too the way that it sneaks in a little bit of veggies. We've got the spinach tortilla, but then the carrots.
Right, and you know, if you aren't a fan of carrots, like cucumbers would be really good in here too.
Yes, shredded zucchini, really any type of shredded veggie would work perfectly.
Yeah. All right.
That looks so fun.
Yeah.
Look at our sushi.
I love how colorful yours
Yep.
is.
Perfect.
Okay, so should we learn how to eat this?
Yes. Jenny is kind enough to give us a chopstick tutorial today in case you want to be really adventurous and use chopsticks to eat your fun sweet and savory sushi.
Yeah, so we just have some disposable chopsticks that we snagged from the deli. And the first thing I like to do with disposable chopsticks is rub them together to get rid of any wood splinters that might be on there.
Oh,
yeah.
I would not think about that.
Don't want to eat wood.
Right, yep. Yeah, these are pretty good.
Awesome. So the easiest way to start is to hold your top chopstick kind of like a pencil.
Okay.
All right, so it's going to rest on your middle finger, in between your middle finger and your forefinger, and your thumb will hold it in place. And then your bottom chopstick will slide right under it and rest on your ring finger.
And Jenny, I'm totally that person that goes to a sushi restaurant and asks for a fork because
That's okay.
this can be
We've
kind
all
of
been
difficult.
there.
But I think I got it.
Yeah.
Because this one just moves, right?
Yep, the top chopstick moves and the bottom chopstick doesn't move.
Okay. All right.
All
You
right.
gonna try this?
Yeah. So I've got a little bit of ranch to dip in. You probably don't want to put your banana in here.
No, not in ranch. Thanks. Okay. Well, this banana is very slippery.
Slippery.
Okay, I'm stabbing this banana. This is so good.
I love the crunch from the carrots in mine.
I love the crunch from the Fruity Pebbles in mine. They're so yummy. Well, we hope you get the kids in the kitchen to give this kid-friendly sushi recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.